Hey folks and our lovely subscribers. We are back with our second season of the channel called Sawant's Kitchen. It's been a while.
Do you mean 3 years?
Yes friends, it's actually 3 years we were not here.
And now that we are back, we want to take this opportunity to thank all our viewers and subscribers for your extended support. Like you were with us even when we were not around for all the reasons that we had.
Absolutely Pranita, I agree to that. But what are we going to cook today?
Now let's start the season 2 with a very simple dish which is known as the Rawa Cutlet.
Absolutely great, that sounds great. So let's go friends and have a look at the Rawa Cutlet.
So guys, let's start with making these cutlets. And for that, what we need is, it's a cup and a half of semolina, a cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of refined flour. These are 2 medium-sized onions which are finely chopped. These are 2 medium-sized potatoes that I've boiled and mashed. This is salt to taste. And this is 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. These are 2 green chilies that I've finely chopped. These are 5 cloves of garlic that I've minced, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Now let's start with making these cutlets. The first step over here is we'll take the semolina in a bowl and then we'll add the curd to it, and it should be mixed very well. Now if you find that the curd and semolina are not getting incorporated well, you can always add a tablespoon or 2 of water. But what you have to make sure is it should have a consistency that of a dough, and it shouldn't be a batter or it shouldn't turn watery. Now we have mixed this properly. What we have to do now is we have to cover it and keep it aside for 30 minutes so the semolina absorbs the curd and becomes soft. Now 30 minutes are over. And this is how the consistency of the semolina would be. It's just the way we want it to be. It's become soft and all the curd has been absorbed by it. Now let's start with mixing all the ingredients one by one. Now first goes in the refined flour. Then we'll add the boiled and the mashed potatoes. Then the next goes in the onions, salt to taste. Then we'll add the powder spices, chilies and garlic now. So these are the green chilies, pepper powder, garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, garlic and the dry fenugreek leaves, and we'll mix this. Now we have mixed everything well. The next step is to keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes so it becomes a little firm. The wait time of 30 minutes is over. The dough is ready. Let's shape up the cutlets now. I had oiled my hands so the dough doesn't stick to my hands while I'm molding the cutlets. I have now shaped one. The oil is hot. Now let's fry it. I'll be shallow frying the cutlets. Now we'll be frying these cutlets on both the sides until they are golden brown and crispy. So folks, these cutlets are finally ready. Let's plate them now. So here you go. Take your Rawa cutlets.
Oh my god, this looks good friends.
And folks, while he's just hobbing on those cutlets, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also there's this bell icon which you need to click on, because that is so you get the future notifications for our videos.
Absolutely, please listen to us.
Bye.